Hello students, today we are going to see Standard 4 Maths, Unit 1 Geometry. Geometry is the study of shapes. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about iterative shapes. Iterative shapes means repetition of shapes and form a finished figure. Come, let's move on to the video session.
Unit 1 Geometry. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the sizes, shapes, positions, angles, and dimensions of things. Iterative patterns in shapes. Description: able to draw circles, spirals, ovals, to differentiate and to compare the shapes drawn, to explore visual examples of repeating patterns. Iterative patterns in shapes. See the given picture. We see patterns in trees, rivers, mountains, shells, clouds, leaves, and more. Iteration is the repeated application of a process. Here, we are going to see how we use the shapes to form iterative patterns. Able to draw circles, spirals, ovals. In the earlier class, you have learned to draw circles. See the shapes given here. First one is circle, second one is spiral, and third one is oval. Children, you can draw the above shapes and color it. Using the above shapes, we are going to form iterative patterns. Iterative patterns means the repeated application of a process. In this given shapes, circle, spiral, and oval are repeatedly appeared. Now we are going to see the practical examples for circle, oval, and spiral. First one, circle. Wall clock, football, and the wheel of a vehicle. Oval examples, floor mat, watermelon, and the petals of a flower. Spiral examples, the petal of a flower, shell of a snail, and the mosquito coil. This is the activity part. Children, you are going to try this at home. Required things: paper, pencil, unused bottle cap, sellotape. Take a sheet of paper, keep the sellotape on it, make 2 or 3 holes in the bottle cap, keep the bottle cap inside the sellotape, and insert the pencil inside the hole. Hold the sellotape firmly. Draw the spirograph by dragging the pencil here and there inside the sellotape. We will get the spirograph. We can also use bangles instead of sellotape. Complete the patterns using the given shapes and shade with your own color. Children, you have to draw the mirror image of the given picture. To differentiate and to compare the shapes drawn. Students, prepare your own pattern of shapes using circles, spirals, and ovals. Exchange it with your friend and discuss. Do you know some visual examples are: cactus is the example for oval shaped pattern. Shell of a snail is the example for spiral shaped pattern. Bangle represents the circle shaped pattern. to explore visual examples of repeating patterns. Students, see the visual examples in the surroundings like rangoli and spirograph. Observe the patterns in the surroundings. Fill the rangoli with colors using your creativity. Use petals of flowers and fallen leaves from the trees to fill the rangoli. Children, prepare your circles, ovals and spirals. From the chart or color paper or with threads, color the prepared patterns with the same. Let we see some exercise part. Write the shapes of the patterns present in the pictures given below. In this first picture, we can able to see the spiral shape. In the second picture, we can able to see the circle and oval shapes. Complete the patterns given below. First sum, circle, spring, circle, spring, circle, spring. What will come next? Yes, it is circle, spring. Second one, oval and one circle. Second one oval, two circles. Third one oval, three circles. What comes next? The patterns repeated. So we can get one oval and circle. Second one oval and two circles. Third sum, we have some color circles. Red follows green, green follows red follows green, green follows red. What will come next? Yes, it is green. And next one is red. Fourth sum is oval. It is a colored oval. So blue color oval. Next is yellow color. Next is blue color. Next is yellow. Next is blue. Then what comes next? Yes, it is yellow oval. And then blue oval. Draw a simple rangoli. Use your own creativity to fill them. Children, you have to draw a simple rangoli with the help of iterative shapes, that is circle, spiral and oval. The repeated shapes given a beautiful rangoli. Try this at home.